Experimental 123 Alpha Bravo, Homedale ground. Taxi to KitFox Aircraft hangar via Alpha. Hold short for runway 12.
Taxi to the KitFox Aircraft via Alpha. Hold short of runway 12. Experimental 123 Alpha Bravo.
Hi, John McBean here with KitFox Aircraft. We're here with our valued partner, Cunningham Transport, to show you a behind-the-scenes process of our loading and unloading the KitFox Aircraft kit.
Thanks, John. Cunningham Transport is honored to be here today and takes great pride in delivery of KitFox aircrafts safely to builders across the country. Our dedicated white glove fleet is customized to meet the unique needs of KitFox aircraft shipments. Each driver is trained by KitFox on the proper loading and securement procedures, ensuring every fuselage, wing, and component is handled with precision and care. Fuselages are fastened to the floor. Careful handling is critical. We developed a KitFox-specific transportation SOP that ensures the wings are properly secured and the correct tension is maintained on the spruce components. Cunningham Transport also tracks your shipment via GPS throughout its entire journey. All of our equipment is specifically built to safely transport and unload the kit directly at your home or hangar, with no middleman, no warehouse, no forklift, and no dock required. The fuselage can be unloaded with a crane or by hand and smoothly transitioned to your garage or hangar using our specialized dolly. The process is designed around safety, consistency, and respect for the craftsmanship that goes into every kit, with the sole purpose of ensuring your kit arrives exactly as it left the factory. The driver will need your assistance physically unloading the wings and carrying them to your facility. We recommend having a wing stand for safe placement. Our driver will contact you directly the day before he arrives to schedule a specific date and time for the delivery.
Thanks for taking time today. Cunningham Transport's been a valued shipping partner with us for many years. They hand carry your product from our place to your place and gets unloaded. It's really a white glove treatment. If you're considering having transport of a kit or vehicles, consider Cunningham Transport. You won't be disappointed.
For safe and reliable shipping, contact Cunningham Transport.